Hello, guys. Um, just wanted to make sure if you guys could hear me. There's one more thing as well I wanted to do actually. Um, yeah. Mm, where is this? I should get a notification. Yeah. Just wanted to make sure if you guys could hear me. Mm-hmm. Don't need this. Yeah. And where is this? I should get a notification. Yeah. Just. Well. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. I will get back to you guys. Just give me a second because I actually wanted to do a post on Insta. Yeah. Actually, today I wanted to make it official. Um, so I have been doing this for quite a bit of time. So, um, I was thinking about should I, not, yes, no, all that stuff, and then today I was thinking about bro, and then I'm like, bro, like whatever you wanted to do, like do it right now. Like it's the best time you have right now, and you have to do it right now, man. No matter what, no matter what. Yeah. So this is what I was thinking about for quite a bit of time, like, and then I'm like, yeah, today I'll go for it, no matter what. What is it, man? Just give me a second, guys. Let me post this, and then we are good to go. And then I have to post a link. How do we post a link on Insta? Where's the link here? Um, Sorry, guys. Just one post, and then I'll get back to you guys. Um, Everything should be fine now. Everything should be fine now. There's an issue with my internet, man. Um, I hope everything should be fine now. Yeah. There's a oh, fucking hell. If you could see in here, look at this, the internet speed. It is lagging. Like sometimes it dropped, and then you can't do live stream with this. It was very fine. It was pretty much fine, but it is happening for quite a bit of time. So right now, um, just quickly wanted to rewind myself for a bigger picture time frame, how we are watching and observing the charts. Maybe for you guys who have not been into this space, like they may not know nothing, but um, I prefer to go to a bigger picture time frame before going to a shorter term time frame to understand which way market could go from here, and then how it could be performing in certain scenarios. And yeah, this is what it is. Internet is still lagging, which is bad, which is what I'm quite frustrated about. It was happening same yesterday as well, but if it continues to do like this, I cannot be able to live stream, which will be so bad. You can see in here, like, this is such a bad internet connection. It was fine, the internet. I don't know, man. It's been like, okay, we will go to show. We'll start with this today. With this, I usually prefer to start on from daily, weekly, 4 hour time frame. This is a Bitcoin chart on perpetuals contract. Perpetual means like you can trade futures or as a leverage. If you just wanted to tell you guys, if you don't know, and yeah, same thing. And we have to have a couple of I'm actually pissed off right now. I'm actually pissed off. I'm actually pissed off right now because my internet is a piece of a shit. Uh, yeah. Either way, I can do one. Fuck. Not sure. I will do this live stream, man. It's calm. Yeah, I think it should be fine now. I should continue to do live stream. So this is 5 minute time frame chart on Bitcoin. It's a 903 market open at 9:30. New York stock futures opens at 9:30. So this is the time is more of like you can anticipate a volatility on charts after 9:30. In UK time it's like 2:30 market open. Sorry, in UK time it's like 2:30, but it is 9:30 on US time. Today is Thursday, 20th of August, and then I've been watching these charts yesterday, Monday, Tuesday as well. This week so far, I have not taken any trade, by the way. Yesterday I missed a very good, I would say. It was about like 2,000 from 64 to 70k. I missed this trade, man. 5k trade, man. And here from here yesterday. Market open at this range. We will discuss that as well, but I missed this trade. I was like on 15-minute time frame. I'm like, bro, you can buy. On 5 minute time frame, I'm like, you can buy. And then I made a mess. Made a mess on 1 minute time frame. It was like a messy. This candle was a messy candle on 1 minute time frame. This red candle. I'm like, bro, not really confident to push buttons, but I was willing to put my stop loss below this low. And then look at this what it has done throughout yesterday, all the way to 70k. Missed this very good trade, but it's part of the game. You cannot do anything about this. It will happen. This is the part of that's this is what it is, what I like as well. All those uncertainties, and then all those I'm anticipating this. This is what it is happening, and then all that stuff. The chaos, I would say, I like it. Yeah, that's why I like to be in front of the charts, to be watching the charts. These candles do talk. If you try to listen to them, and then this is a different world. I would say this is a. I like it. I don't know, but somebody else, maybe nobody, not for everybody, but I like it. I love it. Um, but oh, what is it happening? But yeah, it's not everybody's game as well. So yeah. So quickly, wanted to go to a bigger picture time frame to understand how market is performing right now, and before doing anything, the most important thing is like you have to align yourself with the bigger picture time frame, because market tends to do what it has to do considering a bigger picture time frame charts, a weekly, daily, 4 hour, 15 and 5 minute time frame chart. These are very key levels on charts. You can skip 1 hour 30-minute time frame charts, but you can skip 1 minute as well. This is what I learned yesterday. You should skip the 1 minute time frame chart yesterday. I was like, bro, if I would have just been in a 5 minute candle chart, I would have taken this trade, but I missed this trade yesterday. Also, I was, what can I do? Like, I cannot do nothing now. Um, it hurts, but she cannot do nothing. You just have to wake up, come back again, and then be in front of the charts again. Even though you're losing, making money, missing trades, blowing account, all that stuff, your job is to be there. Like you have to be more of like no emotions on charts. Like you have to be a soul, just a body without soul. To be here, you have to be, if you want to become a trader, no emotions at all, nothing applies in here. So this is more of like a weekly chart. Just we opened on Monday and then went up. This is this weekly fair value gap. Sorry, monthly fair value gap. This is this monthly fair value gap. We have been trading inside. Now, if you go to this monthly time frame, this low and this high, this is this monthly fair value gap we're trading in. Overall, if you could see in here, we have been going down after all-time highs. So definitely you should have to at this range, you should have to lean bearish on charts to anticipate low lows on charts, which is 58 can further downward side as well. This is what I'm leaning at right now. And next leg toward the downward side, if it has to go toward downward side, could be all the way toward to this low and maybe 54, 55, 50k as well all the way. Because I don't think so. This is the bottom right now. Um, considering overall we are bearish, and then we should have to lean bearish as well. And the other thing is like everybody, if this is a range, if you go to range, fixed range, this range is more of like value area of the range as well. As long as we're trading below this high, as long as we're trading below this high, which is about 82 something, and this is this value area high of the range as well. This is this monthly fair value gap low as well. These are quite strong level of resistances. And then I'm leaning bearish at this range. I may be looking for all of those lows, and 50k, 50, 58, 55, maybe 50k as well. This is possible. It may not happen today, tomorrow. It may take 3 to 3 months. This is more of like a prediction I'm doing. Maybe I could be. Maybe I'm wrong as well completely. This is also possible. Um, you should have to be content with this. If you're wrong, you have to accept it and then move on. It's the same like the more quickly you iterate, observe, understand, learn, and get out of that um, emotional state, and then adopt, evolve, the better it is for you. The better, the more quick, the you will become a good trader. it's just like we tends to to fall for our emotions, especially when it comes to money. When there's an element of money, we have like emotions. We we don't want to get out of that state. Like if you're in that state, especially when it comes to losing money, oh, and maybe gaining money. And this is where it comes into play. The game comes into play, in trading. The more quickly you teach yourself that yeah, this is just a facade. These kinds are just a facade. These numbers in your screen, these are just facade. Everything, if you could say these numbers, these are just numbers. And then the more you quickly you understand them, and then the more you try to focus on these candles, try to talk to those candles, you'll see you'll get a good trades, good progress. But it takes some time. Definitely, it takes some time. You need to have patience, all this stuff. But this is another part. Right now, I really wanted to go to try to understand the market where it is going right now. This week, whole week, we've been bullish, trading inside this monthly fairly gap. As long as we're trading below 82K, I'm leaning bearish at this range. Um, who knows how we could go down? Maybe we could just do like this. Maybe we could just go up, hold the area, and then go up, spend too much time in here, then go down. Maybe it could just show rejection from this range, then come down, hold this area, remain sideways for next 2 3 months, then go down. There's so many possibilities that for now it could play it out. Then there's one more possibility as well. It could just invert this early gap and then be bullish as well from here. And I'm leaning into this as well, um, considering a lot of things coming up. Next month we have this Clarity Act. In the month of November we have midterm elections coming up, and then yesterday we have a news where Trump says, "Oh, uh, he said everything positive about crypto," and he has always done this, man. When he has to win the elections, he was saying everything good about Bitcoin, crypto, everything was going up, and the same thing he has to win this midterm elections, and then now he's saying the same words. On November, in November, we have this midterm elections. So you have to win the election, and then he's saying so the same thing, because we have been going down after he become president. Market went down, and this was when he at this point when he become a president. I think so. This one, not no. When it went to 60, above 64K. No, this one. Yeah. So this was this all-time high. This point, this day, this candle, some October or November, somewhere in here, maybe this one. When it went to all-time highs, that day, that particular day, he become president. It was 3rd of September somewhere. But this is what it is. I was thinking about, bro. Like the way everything is going on right now, you cannot deny this. Maybe market will never go down below these lows, and then it could continue to be bullish as well from here like this, or maybe make a retest then be bullish as well. So there's always probabilities, always possibilities on charts. um you have to your job, my job is to figure out what of the probability or the possibility is highly likely that could play out on charts. Yeah, this is what actually trading is, considering how it has behaved yesterday, tomorrow, yesterday, a week before, where it is actually going right now, what was is happening throughout this range. I was pretty much bullish whole week. This whole week I was bullish, man. I, when on Friday it closed like this last week Friday, I was like, bro, we just put your stop loss below this low, Friday low. Let Saturday and Sunday remain chop, and next week you have to be bullish for 1 2 3 highs, and it could be knocking all of those highs as well to 70K as well. I was like, it is going to 70k. It could go to 70k as well from here. And the way Monday it was bullish, could not be able to. I would say that all of those scenarios I was considering and watching till now. Today is Thursday. I have not taken any trade. If you could guess, um, Monday I was waiting for my price action to make retest, like, and that did not happen. Tuesday as well, it did not happen. Yesterday as well, I was like, bro, I'm not pushing buttons until unless market gave me an something which which is what I'm looking for, and then we have to sit still. And this is what it is in the end. That's how I missed these trades. Oh, man. I was like, um, I would say it is not my fault, but it is my fault as well because I'm not willing to go go all in right now. I can see myself like this is not how you do actually trading. You go all in, man. Like nothing in this world like can tilt you. Nothing in this world can distract you. Like, and then you go all in. That's it. That's how it is. So you guys, we have been talking a lot, and so overall, we've been going up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was bullish, and today is Thursday as well. After the opening, going up toward upper side bullish as well. This is what I was thinking about. Like, what do you think? What do you think? These are the questions you have to ask yourself because if you want to do day trading every single day, coming back in front of the charts and asking yourself, what do you think today market could do? Either way, it could be bullish or bearish. We could see continuation or reversal. What levels we are trading at right now, and then what it has done in our last session, Asian session, what it has done last London session. The other question definitely you should be asking yourself. And then when you ask these kind of questions from yourself, and then you get answers. Sorry, guys, I was not expecting that. And when you ask these kind of questions and then you get answers and then you ask more questions, dig deep into this, and then you realize, oh yeah. And then if you spend too much time asking all of those questions, and then in the end, you for example, you took a trade, you got stopped out, and then and that point you feel like, bro, why I'm doing this trading type shit? I don't need to even do trading. um this is more for like the sad part, but the reality is this is a like a good industry, I would say. I like it. I don't know about somebody else. I like it. So far this 4 hour time frame or daily time frame we are going up. This is what I was thinking about. This is this monthly fair value gap low. This is a strong level of resistance, you can say, we are trading at. And the way we went toward upper side, I was just thinking about like this is what most of the people would not be thinking about. What do you think most of the people would not be thinking about right now on charts? If it could just reverse from here, going down all the way toward low levels. Because everybody's bullish, everybody's saying, oh, Bitcoin is going to. If you go to Twitter, you'll see everybody saying, oh, 70k, 80k, 150k, all time highs. Trump said this, Trump said that. Everybody is saying this, like Bitcoin has to go to all time high or whatever. But most of the, yeah, and then nobody's expecting from the market to go down from. And then yesterday we have seen 1.98 billion liquidations on shorts. It was quite a big amount. um yeah, this is what I was thinking, bro. You did not liquidate and you did not even lose money, man. Yes, you could not be able to make it. Yes, I was like, you wanted to make money, that's why you're trading. This is reality. But you did not lose nothing, a penny on this on 1.98 billion. The people who lost the money, you lost not even single a penny, and you are already winning. I'm like, yes, you could not be able to make it, but you did not lose at all. This is the most basic. basic or alpha of trading. Like your first rule should be not to lose money. So we did not. Yes, we could not be able to make it, but we did not lose at all. We still have a capital. We still have a mental capital. As long as you have these two stuff, you're fine. Um. So quickly, this is what I was thinking about. Like, um, I was today. I'm in a confusion, man. Yesterday I was bullish. Yesterday I was bullish. I wanted to see market should have to go toward the upper side, and then it too went up. I could not be able to trade this trade. It's fine. Yesterday it's gone. But today I'm in a confusion right now because this is a level of resistance. Most of the people would not be thinking about if market could reverse from here to go down for these lows, invert this fairly gap. This is what I was thinking about. And the other thing is like market is already bullish. It is already going toward upper side. Don't needs to make it don't needs even needs to make a retest toward downward side, or it should have to continue to be bullish from here. The way we have been watching whole week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So in that case, like this is this fairly gap on 1 hour. This is this 30-minute time frame. In that case, this if you could see in here, and this is we have seen this is the 4 hour time frame candle going on this one. We have 2 hour 37 minutes left. So first hour we have already seen this give us a wick on 4 hour time frame. We are already bullish, and if you're bullish on charts, if you're expecting upper side, market should never have to go below this low, below this candle's low. If you could see in L, it means low. So if I press on this candle, this is 389.71, 389. This is the low. You can say that, oh, if you're bullish, market should never have to go below this low. You should never have to keep this value gap open, never have to go below this low. Like if I draw a trend line in here, like this is my bottom. This is my bottom. This is my low. Market should never have to go below this low. 389.71, 389. Yeah, we'll keep that in our mind. So if you go to short term time frame, this is this 15-minute time frame. We have seen first initial. We have still 7 minutes left. I thought market is open. So 9:30 we'll have this New York session opening, New York futures opening, and then we have this is this low. This is this low on 15-minute time frame. I was watching which is this one. If you go to 1 minute time frame all the way, look at the difference. Look at the difference. 15-minute time frame chart and the same. This is the same chart on 1 minute time frame. These are messy candles. Most of the time on 1 minute time frame you will see noise, which has nothing to do trading with the trading. This is what I got to realize yesterday. Yeah, and you don't need this for now. So for me right now, personally, I would say, like I have already discussed with you guys, like we could be bearish from here. We could just roll down from here because this is what most of the people would not be thinking about right now, and just roll down from here. And also, like we could be bullish from here, considering we are already bullish. We should have to go to the other side, and then like this as well. And then I was watching this on bigger picture time frame. This is the value area high of the range is this one at 75 something. Maybe we have to go to 75k something. Who knows? So today I'm in a confusion right now. Could go down, could go up. This is where you should have to sit still. In these kind of days, like when you're in confusion, could go up, could go down. You should actually not be trading. You should not at all pushing buttons. Um, but until unless like you are sure, until unless like I'm confident, I'm not pushing buttons, man. Like irrational buttons on charts, because so far like I'm leaning bullish. Sorry, I'm leaning bullish on charts, considering these highs. I'm looking for this high right now. anticipating from the market to not to go down below this low, and cannot like this is also a very interesting thing I really wanted to discuss with you guys. This is what most of the people would not be thinking about right now as well. I want this is this 5 minute time frame really gap. We'll highlight this from here. This is very interesting to watch as well because I've been watching the starts early in the morning till 11. So I started watching charts in here. I'm like, bro, not to go below this low, not to go below this low. Give me this high. It remained sure, just went up. We do anticipate a trade as well in here to went up, but did not give us a target. Just roll down from here. Disrupt these lows. I was like, if it come down, disrupt these lows, fail to go down below this low, I'll be still looking to buy for these highs. Because you're bullish, everything you have to think of it like market has to go up, and then you have to wait. Maybe you are wrong. Maybe market has to go down. It's fine being wrong. It's fine being wrong as long as you're not losing anything. So at this point, I do anticipate a trade. I did not lose nothing. It did not play it out. I do anticipate this trade in here, but did not play it out. And then in here as well, I was like, it failed to go down below this low. This is this fair value gap on 1 hour time frame. This one, the wick. Look at this wick. This week is already telling me, and this was the first 1 hour candle on 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. So this was this 1 o'clock, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 candle. In London time. So, sorry guys, you may not understand all of those stuff, which is what I'm saying right now, but you'll get to know these things by time. Um, I don't know about my audience, like uh, just wanted to make sure if you guys everything should be fine. Yeah, I hope everything should be fine, but mine sometimes it lags. So yeah, um, so this is this low. If you're bullish, I'm bullish. I'm leaning bullish on charts, anticipating or expecting from the market from here to go up. Give me this high, all of those highs, these highs, 72, 400 something, or it is possible it could come down, give me lower high at this range. So as we're bullish, I would think we have to think of it like market has to go up. It could go up from here, possible. I'm not willing if it went up from here like toward upper side. This is where is the previous low? Previous low is this is my bottom already. The previous low is at here below this low. Do is it I'm willing to put my stop loss below this low for all of those highs? For now, the element of time is 929. I'm not really confident. So for example, if it went toward upper side like this, leaving this low in play, I'm fine with this. I'm fine with it. She went up, can't do anything because I'm not really confident to put my stop loss below this low and buy. I don't know, man. I'm not confident. Why I'm not confident? Because I don't know. Because I don't know if this is my bottom. Yes, I do anticipate this is my bottom, but for example, I'm not, for example, buying in here, putting my stop loss below this low. I can already see that this is what I will be risking for this area. Um, which is not worth it. I would you'll be risking way too much. I can already see that I'll be risking way too much buying in here. So the only thing I can do is to wait for the market to give me a good trade. Look at this. How would you feel at this point? For example, I was just telling you guys I'm not confident for my stop loss below this low. It just went down. And then yeah, I can only for me right now personally I have to look for a trade. I'm first of all I'm pretty much in content with this as well. We could roll down from here. and for example I'm bullish. Yes, if for example I'm bullish, I can only wait for the market to not to go below this low, hold this area, give me lower high at this range, then I will be looking to buy for this hour. It went down from here like this, I cannot do anything. I have to let it go. And this is 9:30 as well. This is 9:31. This is the first candle of 9:30. Let's see which way it will go from here, marker. And you'll see trading is boring, man. Trading is boring. I know. You know what? I'm pretty much in content with this as well. Nobody would have been expecting if New York session is could be bearish and it could roll down. Nobody is expecting this, man. Nobody is expecting this. So um, if it went down, I can't do anything because I'm bullish today. So that's how this actual trading works. You have to have you know your rules. You have to be either one-sided. If you're wrong, fine. You have not lost anything. If you're right, you're way right. Like way on percentage. When it comes to percentage, you're right, way above than being wrong. So and for example, like if you're not right and wrong but not lose do not lose money, that's all. That's already a win-win. That's already a win-win. And if you're right, still could not be able to make money, that point, it it is like frustrating. Yesterday it happened with me. Like I was bullish, I was right, market went up, still could not be able to make it. It's part of the journey. I knew, but you still cannot do anything. Like it is out from your hands. Can't do anything, man. Right now I can only focus on these candles if they could give me something. And for me, like the way there's open, uh it, it is really telling me it could just roll down from here. It's already telling me it wants to roll down. We'll see. I don't need this for now. Just wanted to highlight this area now. This pink line, oh sorry, in here. This pink line is this. I will draw it pink. I don't know, pinky. This is this one our time frame family. Yeah. If I can already see that like it could roll down. If it has to roll down, if it has to never have to go above this hour. Let's see. And it has already inverted this very gap. And you have to know this is just 4 minutes, 9:34. So just be leery. 435.6, and this low is at 441. So this low has not been knocked off till yet. I can already see these candles. These candles are already telling me it wants to go down. Yeah. Look at these wicks. And I'm anticipating a short position in here. Let's see. I'm not pushing buttons. Not pushing buttons. We could go down way toward low levels, man. All the way in here. Aggressive trade, 7 hour trade, man. If I could can be able to take this. I can see that it wants to go down, but not willing to take a when it's trade for now. Because if it has to roll down, it just has to roll down from here. Does not matter how we open now. Let's see. I'm not willing to push buttons on this trade for now. I'm just anticipating if it could play it out. And you have to know this is just a 9:35 now. Just 5 minutes. Yeah, for example, like if it has to roll down from here, you just have to roll down from here, and then that's it. Let's see. Hmm. If you could see all these candles, look at this. This candle is telling me they want to go down. 742. This was not a bad trade, by the way. Because you have taken aggressive trade, you have to put your support above this eye now. Lower risk now. Looking for 70k from here, which is not too far, by the way. Yes, it is. It has given us this $5,000 move trade. Why would it should not give me this? Hmm. This is good so far. The weight is going down. Just sitting. I'm chill right now. I'm chill. Yes, we do anticipate this trade. It is going down, but I have not like pushed any kind of buttons on this trade for now. I was pretty much in content with this as like we could just roll down from here. And so far it is going down. But I'm chill because I'm chill. I'm chill because I'm not losing money. That's why. So the first basic principle of trading is not to lose money. So which is what I'm not right now at the moment. No, no, I'm not losing anything. So that's why we're chill. And we forgot the basic rule of to make money. That's why I'm chill as well. This is interesting. Insane. I love it, man. I love being in front of the charts, man. I don't know. I don't know. No, it's not everybody. Well, not everybody wants to be a trader. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know if I wanted to be a trader or not. I like being in front of the charts. That's it. Yes, just definitely. I wanted to make money as well. This is you cannot. This is reality. You cannot deny. Um, but I can see that like because of trading, the kind of person uh what I used to be and what I am right now, like which is what I love. Like just because of trading, I'm where I am right now, like what I used to be, and this is what that's why I love this game. And then yeah, in future as well, maybe if I can be able to make it sometime, some point in my life, and then who knows, maybe the life it will give me after that. So that's why I love it. Let's see. Look at this, man. How would you feel at this point? You have taken aggressive trade, aggressive short. Initial stop loss was there. Now then when it closed like this, you put your stop loss there. I can see these candles. These candles are not willing to go down. And I was just watching this 17-hour trade. Fuck you, 17-hour trade. So not happening. That's why sitting still is the best reward in trading. Why don't you accept this? Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, the trading is great. Wait, shit. Damn, Lord. So far, it's just 9:42, guys. I'm not even doing nothing right now. Just voting. And this is what you will do most of the time. You will spend 12 to 16 hours in a day in front of the charts, and you'll be doing nothing. And this is where uncertainty comes into play. And then, for example, average guy like me who like just normal job I'm doing right now in life. Like, for example, if I'm not doing any kind of job, as well, for example, studying free in life, nothing to do. Yeah. And if somebody asks me, "Oh, bro, you want to shit out to spend 12 hours in front of the charts and then 16 hours in front of the charts, watch these candles, these boring candles, and then even though end up, if when you finish your day, 12, 16 hours, when you finish and then you got to realize, oh, you lost that much amount of money. Oh, oh, you have a high probability to be losing money in trading. 90% of the people lose money. So the odds are already not in your favor already. So even though you spend your 12, 16 hours in front of the charts and then you realize, uh, I could not be able to do anything. I lose money, even though below my count, emotionally, mentally disturbed, mental capital, everything. You put your energy, everything there, and end up being losing money, everything, and you got emotional, all that stuff, and guess what? And then the person that is next to you, he would ask you, you have to come back tomorrow again to spend your 16 hours in front of the charts again. And then you still have this uncertainty in your mind that you don't know if you have a 0.1% 0.1% probability you can be able to make it. 99% you will not be able to make it, and then you lose money. You have a more probability you will lose money spending your 16 hours of a day again, and then this is what you have to do for rest of your life, where the odds are like not at all in your favor. Like, for average person who has nothing to do in his life, all that stuff, bro, nobody wants to be in front of the charts. The very second day, you'll kill me, man, if I ask you to come back again tomorrow to lose money again, you'll kill me. Like you will be like, bro, you mad? You'll said I'm crazy. I'm idiot. Because in it, just common sense, just come. Nobody wants to spend 16 hours in a day and then gain nothing. If you go to average job, like people working on their jobs, they finish their day, they knew they will they will get the pay. It's obvious. And then when it comes to trading, you never know you will uh, ever can be able to get a pay. Yes, this is where the uncertainty comes into play when it comes to trading, and that's why nobody wants to be a trader, and that's why this is not an easy job. And and to most of the people who get scared of uncertainty, I'm like, for me personally, I'm like, bro, I love uncertainty. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm losing money on trading. Yeah, but this is reality. I'm just saying to you guys. Look at this. How would you feel at this point? For example, you have taken aggressive trade just after 9:30, and it was 9:36, 6 minutes. You took aggressive trade. Market do went down. Put stop loss at a break even or close to the lows. Looking for all of those areas did not happen. You got stopped out in here. Like break even, that's why you have to be patient in charts, in front of the charts. And when it comes to trading, man, you have to trading will make you a man first, and then you will become a trader. This is that's how this rigged game is. I love it. I love it. Every part of it, every single second of it. Like I love it. I don't know, man. That's how that that's how my breed is it. Like I don't know. That's it. Actually, do not want to talk about my personal stuff, but I'm just saying as a channel. Yeah, what trading is, what it takes to be a trader. And if you could see in here, trading is so easy, man. It's so easy. I used to think, oh, it is so difficult. No way, it is so easy to trade. Look at this, what I'm doing, nothing. Like just sitting in a chair. And this is what you have to learn, to do nothing. Most of the people wants to do nothing in their lives. So the same thing you are doing in the trading, like you're doing nothing, just sitting. And then you have to know this is what it is. While you're there in front of the chart, sitting still, doing nothing, you're keeping an eye on there. Your mind is there, your attention is there, and you know when you have to pull the trigger, and then you go all in after that. Let's see. Done. So far, I'm not doing anything, guys. Not even anticipating anything. Just watching and observing. Look at the bounce it got from here. Look at this. Considering this, you have to be bullish, man. Look at this, the way it is closed in 15-minute time frame. I'm anticipating this is my bottom now, 71 100. Invert this fairly gap. Give me all of those highs. Let's see. This low we have, after that we have this low and this low, which is this one as well. We've already seen it has just backtested this previous low in here. So I'm just anticipating market not to go below this low, which is 71. I'll draw this line in here, which is this one, 71,405.7. It could come down, disrupt this low, but for now I'm anticipating it should not go below this low. Not to go below this now. Invert this early gap. Give me all of those highs. Look at this. Yeah, yesterday was good day, man. Like, you already have a practice of missing that kind of big move. If you miss this 500 or $200 move trade, you'll be like, this is nothing. And then missing moves in a trading is a great sign that you know it would happen. Next time, the next step from there is to try your best to I would say to do what? To try to trade that move. Yeah. If you're missing trades, you're doing great. You are on a right path. Yeah, you just have to make sure you never get tilted. This is good so far. The way it has just tapped into this fairly gap. 502.1. Just anticipating from here, market not to go below this low now. 502.1 to give me, you know what, this fairly gap, give me all of those highs. 72,400 I'll be looking for. 72,400, 500. Let's see. You have to keep in mind that this is noise 1 minute time frame. It's just 9:53 now. We have a lot of time left, so hmm. A 6 minute left for the 30 and 1 hour time frame closes. Because the element of time is very important, guys. You will see that your market is bullish and it has to go up, and it is not going up because the element of time is not there. The market tends to wait for the element of time, and it tends to do the things before the element of time as well. I have seen so many times. Yesterday as well, ideal example. But the thing is, like, you never have to expect from the market to do the repetition what it has done yesterday. It will never do this. Just overall, I have seen market tends to repeat because this market is controlled by a human. And human, we love patterns. We love repetition. That's it. If you could see, if you could just look into yourself, like if I would look into myself, most of the time I will be doing the things the way I'm doing what I have been doing for like 5 6 years. I don't know this because it is my habit now. I don't know this, but it is my habit now. And then changing the repetition, changing the habits is difficult. As intentionally doing this is difficult because you would never know. Things will happen. You would be like, oh, um, that's how it is. That's how the things work. But you don't know. You don't realize you are actually doing the repetition on patterns, and then you have to. This is what actual learning comes into play. Break the repetition, broke the patterns, and then when you establish certain patterns, then you try tends to follow those patterns, even though good, bad. This is even, and the same thing on trading as well. There is a repetition, there is a pattern in trading. Things will repeat the way we have in everything. You will see that you will see now everything you do in your life, everything is happening in this world is this a repetition, man. Initially, we try to evolve, understand, learn, and then after that, for example, you go to any job. What is it you do there? When you start, you just learn, and then you do repetition, man, patterns. Every single job you do. This is the whole world is like this, man. Whole world is. It depends, like what kind of pattern you wanted to repeat in your life. Like if you want to repeat a pattern of going to the same job, then you'll do this. You'll be stuck. You'll be like same thing. It depends like what kind of pattern you want to repeat. A difficult patterns or easy pattern. This is what I observed, by the way. If you look for a difficult pattern, life will give you a different result. And if you go for a easy pattern, you know that. Don't need to say anything. As usual, the one is watching. So far, no, I'm not doing anything, guys, at the moment. Um, just anticipating market not to go below the slow invert this early gap. Not to go below the slow, not to go below the slow, not to go below the slow, not to go below the slow. Invert this early gap. Give me all of those highs. It is possible because this is fairly gap. It could show rejection, come back down, hold. It should have to hold at this area. Then I'll be looking for lower high. My bottom is this one, and then I'll be looking for buy 72 400. Still, we have element of time in there. We have to be very careful. If you go open X, oh, X is a different word, man. X is a good word. So I never use all of the social medias at all. They don't like it. I'm on X most of the time, just reading. Oh man, who's this guy? Well, I know this guy, man. I would never leave. No way, man. This guy is crazy. This is boring, by the way. That's why I'm looking to, yeah, maybe next stream. I will be. I'll try to figure out to add some music, and then I wanted to do one more thing, which is a camera. I will order a camera for PC as well, and then you can see me. Oh my god. She 275K? No way. These people, man. Trading as advertising. No way. But there was this meme coin, man. It went from no way. Within 4 hours, I got to know the news. No way, man. I missed that. Then went way toward upper side. I'm not at all doing anything, guys. Not pushing buttons. So far, if you could see anyway, I'm pretty much. I was like before this opening anything. I was like, bro. But most of the people would not to be thinking about if we roll down or if we remain short. Because market has done what it has to do. I think so for all this whole week. The way it remained bullish. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday as well bullish. So and tomorrow we have nothing on the charts as well. News. And we have to today we have a news as well, I remember. FMC meeting. It was yesterday, man. 7:30 to 2:30, man. This guy is crazy, man. Yesterday he said everything about crypto and then hyperliquid and then everything went up. If you could say, if I wanted to show you something else, we'll keep an eye on charts. We have to look for another charts as well. This was this hype coin, hyperliquid. It's a decentralized exchange. So I was bullish, man. I've been watching this chart when it was trading in here, roundabout in here. That point, I was looking to go for a short on this. There was a lot of hype. It made new all-time high, all that stuff. I was like, bro, I'm looking to go for a short, and then it went down. I'm like, rest lower, chop. Bro, it's better to be bullish. Do anticipate? I was like, bro, this is monthly fair value gap. It tabs into this last month, and look at this. Look at this, man. This area. this is a trade I was like, and I do anticipate. I prepared everything like when it closed like this on weekly time frame. You can take this trade like this week when it closed like this. I'm like, this it has tapped into this monthly fair gap. I'm already bullish. It has to go up. So you can anticipate a long position in here, putting your stop loss below this low, and then looking for it to go up from here, invert this fairly gap, invert this fairly gap, look for previous all-time highs. Because I was already bullish, so you have to be already be bullish or bearish on certain coins and then look for it. I was bullish all the way while it was going down in here. When it get this low, I was like, this can be a bottom. Possible it could make one more leg down, then go up. This is what I was actually waiting for. Because I was not really confident on these lows. Man, I'm like not really confident on these lows. And it was just the start of this August. If you could see, this was this first week of August. I'm like, this is difficult to buy in here. Put your stop loss just below this low, and overall, like we're going down, still going down. Could make one more leg down, then go up as well. It will be great. And then this is what I was actually really calm. But I was like, bro, this could be a trade as well. Maybe it never go down. Do anticipate a trade. It went up in here next week, last week. It went up in here just in trading in there. I'm like, still, since next week as well. It was nothing in here because I was still not confident on. For example, this was Sunday candle. Next last week, it was trading in here. So I was still not confident on all of those lows, man. Still, the previous high was there. I was like, could just get higher low, then go down, make one more leg down, then go up as well. Um, and then I was like, if it has to just have to go to what up aside from here, then it should have to now have to go below this low, now have to go below this Friday low as well. Just invert this really gap, hold the area, then be bullish. Invert this really gap as well. And this week, look at this, the way it is going up. Look at this. And yesterday, Trump said they want hyperliquid to be in the United States, legally regulated. Yeah, and then it was trending around about in here because of news. It was a news at 7. Go to 7 yesterday. 5 17. Oh, what was this? This 7:30. 7:30. It was London time, so New York time will be 5:30. 12:30. Roundabout in here. Roundabout in here. This was his press conference, like the way it started, and this one exact point, I think so. He said hyperliquid, and then hyperliquid is going up. I'm like, bro, you messed this trade, man. I was watching the shows for quite long. It's fine, it happens, so can't do anything. You always have opportunity. You always have to go toward next stop. What is this happening in here, man? Yeah, the more quickly you understand it, the more quickly you iterate, evolve, adopt, and move on, learn and move on to the next one, the better it is. Definitely, you have to be learning. hmm Let me see if you guys can hear me. I think should be fine. Should be fine. Look at this. This is good, by the way. This is good. It's too loud. So yeah, this is what it is I'm looking for right now. Just give me all of those highs. 70 to 500. This is good the way. Let's see how this 5 minute time frame kind of close. I'm looking for all of those highs, and I just wanted to highlight the previous high as well, which is this is also important. So far, I'm not willing to risk anything. Just watching and observing. Because this previous high, this 72,099 is very important because this is this previous closest possible level of high we have. I have not seen this big picture time frame, by the way. Look at this, the way it has created these wicks inside this very gap. It is already telling me it wants to go up. And it has already inverted this early gap. Um, do you think you missed this trade? I don't know. You cannot deny you can be bullish. Cannot deny this. But I don't know. My stop loss is not defined yet. Yes, I'm willing to put my stop loss below this low, but this is this previous 5 minute time frame candle like 71 571. But if I buy now right now, I'll be risking way too much. So and I have to wait for this 5 minute time frame close. It's 10:14 now. Let's see. It will be great if market come down to this range and failed to go down below this low, hold this area. I may anticipate a long position in here. Let's see. Look at this so far. I'm sitting still, man. Like I've done nothing. Past me would have been already pushing buttons in here, in here. The way we just open in here. Then I would have been stopped out, and I would have been pissed off with myself, like so mad at myself. And thank God, like I am out from that state now. Just sit still. And this is the thing that applies to you in every aspect of life. Like, I got to learn this from trading, man. Like, whatever you want to do in your life, and then whatever you're chasing, let it come to you. Don't chase that. Why are you chasing? Why would you chase, man? Why would you chase? Why would you chase? No way. You cannot. Yeah. Let it come to you. The same thing applies to money, woman, everything you wanted to do in your life. Like, yeah, just be patient. This is good, by the way. I'm anticipating market should not go below this low. Give me all of those highs. I may be wrong as well. Look at this one. Still, we have not gone down below this low, so still I'm looking for the same thing. So just watching and observing, guys. I'm anticipating market should not go below this low. From here in go up inward this level and then give me this. Just watching and observing these candles. Let's see. Oh my god, no way. I think it is going down. Look at this. This is great. This is great. Trust me, guys. This is great. Have you seen me pushing any kind of buttons on charts? No way. I remember I start my day in here. I do anticipate a trade in here because you have to remember, because these things will tell you if today is your good day or bad day. I started in here, anticipate a trade. Two went up, did not take took my target, just went down. Yes, I put very pretty much very close to break even. So for example, I was out at break even on this trade. At this point, I remember I do anticipated trade did not play it out. After that, we do anticipate a trade in here, just after the opening, going for a short, which is what you should not be doing in a given session, in a given trading day. You either way have to be bullish or bearish. That's it. I was just randomly, I'm like, just let's anticipate a trade. Just after the opening 3-4 minutes, we do anticipate a trade. Just went down. I was like, you should put your stop loss at break even or above this high. And it went up. We was out at break even. And when it to get the bounce from here, I'm like, this is my bottom. This is my bottom. This is my bottom. This is my bottom. Anticipating or expecting from the market, maybe from here to be bullish, or maybe come down, not to go below this low, then be bullish. It did not play it out as well. So you can already see that I have already anticipated 3 trades. None of them do play it out. And I can already see in these kind of days when it's like this, either way you better sit still or don't do nothing. Or just close the charts, do something else. Oh man, I finished my coffee. I did not realize. I did not realize I finished my coffee. So in these kind of days, you better sit still, don't do nothing, or close the charts, go do something else, enjoy your life. And this is what I would say. But we are here. I'm in front of the chart, so I have to be in front of there to be here till 8. So we can do something else. Meanwhile, you can use I can use X or something. Learn something from X is crazy, man. X, if you open X, everything is, you will see the post, everybody's making millions, everybody's rich, like you will feel like pro, you left behind in life, like where are you? But reality is not, it's not like that. It's just facade, just facade. Reality, the reality is this. What is it I'm showing to you guys? This is what actually reality is. This is what actual trading is. I don't know, man, what these people are doing with you. And yesterday I was watching another thing. Trump was saying something. It was written, so he was reading. Yeah. So and then these people, how they manipulated this trading, all that stuff. Somebody would have write down those notes. You never know. Who knows what it is? And for example, that person, he already have information, man. Before anybody else, like before even meetings start, there's always agenda, there's always preparation for the meetings, all that speeches, yeah. And then that person who have written these what he would be saying, it is not he. Like, do you think like Trump will write down this speech and then will say what he thinks? No. This is not, this is no way this is happening. There are people who do like proper research, and then they yeah, and then they couple of people's there that then they decide this is what he was saying. That, and then do you think like Trump is like the prime minister, he controlled this world and he controlled this US? No. Are you crazy? What, the people who control this world, that you never know them, you will never be able to get to know them. This is true. You will never be able to get to know their names. It's just Trump is like in front of your camera, and that's it. Puppet. Everybody's puppet. And then the same thing, like somebody would have written down that piece of a paper, whatever it is, and then then these people already knew he would say this and market will do this. So they already have information before us. And for example, that person who are in the office and then who know the speech, what he will say, and then he what he needs to do. For example, he's saying hyperliquid will be compliant with US. Yeah, they are doing something, and people in there in a back doors, they know he would say this, and then don't need to do nothing. They just need to open a hyperliquid, a wallet, a wallet, and put money from exchange to wallet somewhere, and then before he would say anything, just put a button, push a buttons, man, by yourself. Because you already have information before Trump, before anybody. You put it. I would put my life. I put my every single penny on a trade if I knew that this will happen. You make millions in a minute. That's how this market is rigged. That's how this market is rigged. I'm telling you guys. This is reality. And I always Trump, whatever he is saying, you always have to think of it like opposite to whatever it is. There are some things he says like you have to pay attention to. Most of the time it's bullshit, but I take 90% of whatever he's saying. Uh, when there was a war, whatever he was saying, I was like, bro, you're crazy. Oh, they finished this nuclear weapon. Iran will do this. Iran is obliterated, whatever it is. This is all bullshit. They have done nothing in Iran. Iran has still has a nuclear power. Iran has the control of Strait for Hormuz. During the war, Iran has the highest number of oil ships or selling of oil by themselves. It was Iran while there was a blockade and all that stuff. Iran was the number one country who was selling the oil to the world to the highest of the pace during the war, and all those media was saying, "Oh, this is happening." No, Iran made the millions in this war, and what US have done? US, they could not be able to take their nuclear weapons, never, because I know Iranian. They're Muslim, they're Shia, so I know them, most of them. This is this brutal reality of this world. Look at these guys. You have done a great job, man. Yeah, this is what it is. I'm proud of myself, man. Great. The reason is like the day I missed the trade, I used to do like, oh, I missed this trade. How this happened? Tomorrow I'll be pushing buttons, making money. And today, yesterday I missed this trade, and today, what is it I'm doing? Just watching charts, not reflecting on what happened, what has happened yesterday, which is good, right? I think we'll finish this last time, guys, at 4. Nothing really to discuss right now. Still, it has created higher low. Still, it could just roll down as well from here. But for bullish case scenario, I'm still anticipating market not to go below this low. From here, go up. But it not seems to me that it wants to go up. It is highly likely this time it will roll down. The way it has created higher low in here. Just ripped inside this. Look at this. Let's see. Bullshit, man. Bull balls. Fuck you, man. Oh, for trading at 22 million made clock and DPG. What is this? This is another world trading, and then meme coin trading is another world. Oh my god. I love it. I love to be in a meme coin community as well. This is also nice, like the chaos it has. Great. Guess what? The game you lose money as well. So you should. It's just numbers, man. I did not ever think like that. For me, money is like just numbers, guys. Uh, for me as well personally, do you think I need money in my life? I would say right now, yes, you need money. Yeah, but for me, if I would have to give priority to, um, if you could ask me money and relationship, I would choose your relationship. Yeah. So relationship like uh, with parents, sisters, brothers, friends, partner, maybe. Yeah. So I would choose relationships with in regards to money. So that's how I think about money. But mm, So guys, I'm not saying anything right now. Just I'm reading X. Um, sorry guys, I'm not saying anything. It's just I'll be here for next 20 minutes and then we are off. Good to go. It was a good session, guys. So far, it's a great session, I would say. I'm not taking any trade. So far, the way it has slowed down at this range, it is highly likely it will roll down. Let's see. So 1 hour, 20 minutes left for the 4 hour candle close. If not this 4 hour, next 4 hour, it will roll down. Yeah, I just wanted to see to this 15-minute candle and next 15-minute candle. And then we are out. Now, I'll be in front of the charts, like I'll be finish. We'll finish this last round. We'll see. We will see. Hmm. It seems to me it wants to go down. Maybe this could wait. 688. This is what they were thinking about. If we do get the bounce from here, and then I wanted to see this eye after that. This eye, how market will react to this eye. Even if try to break this level, go up or create lower high. If it fail to go above this eye, I may be anticipating a short. could just roll down from here as well, or it could just go up, then go down. It could just go down as well from here. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just anticipating if it has a potential to not to go above this high, not to go above this high, roll down. It's 10:45. Let's talk. He said. Um, I'm looking for the what was that? No, this music I listen to for focus music. I don't know, man. It is this YouTube channel, but I don't know. It says 137K. We have this 15-minute FM close as well, so you cannot deny it could just roll down from here. It could just roll down from here. 71,629.4. This one. Uh, yeah. She's this one. 688. Let's see. Yeah, it seemed to me it's just around to roll down from here. Uh, in that case, it should never have to go below this or never have to go above this high. It's 591.9. Let's see. This is what you should not be doing, by the way. You should not even be anticipating a trade if you're bullish, on a short, on downside. Because if you're bullish, why would you do that? Uh, but I'm just anticipating. Let's see. The stop loss above this high, 791.9. Which I can see the element of time is there, 10:50 to 11:10. It should give me this roll if it has to roll down. I'm pretty much in content with this. It could just go up then go down as well. So just anticipating, not pushing buttons. You can guess, guys. Like for a whole week, I have not taken any trade till now. Yesterday, I missed this very good trade. Just sitting still tomorrow. I don't know if I can be able to get. I knew if I can be able to just get a one trade, I'll be done for the whole week. Yeah, my goal is to get three obvious, like no half measures, obvious trades, and yeah, in a week. If you get one, win-win. Get two, win-win. Get three, win-win. If you get zero, already a win-win because you did not lose nothing. You should never know, man, trading what trading is. You've been doing for quite long. It will make you a man first. Then you will become a trader. And then you will become a profitable trader. Yeah. Look at this up. How would you feel at this point? This is what I was telling you guys, bro. You should not be shorting while you're bullish. It just went up from here. Let's see. Still, as long as you're trading below this low, I'm in a more of like content. We could just roll down from here. But overall, I'm bullish. Overall, I'm bearish as well. So I'm in confusion right now. So when you're in confusion, when you don't know, the best thing is to push buttons, lose money, blow your account, disturb your mental capital, frustrated on yourself, get emotional, leave trading, and decide it never come back to normal job. That's it. This is what it should be doing. Because trading is not for us. It's just chilling. Just chilling. Just chilling. This is another thing. I hate listening to my voice in a recording. I don't know. On recording, there's a bro. If you could just try to listen to my voice, it's terrible voice. You never wanted to listen to your voice because I don't know, man, how I sound. Hello. As long as we are trading below this high, I still have a um instincts that we could roll down from high as long as we're trading below this R. But I'm also bullish as well, considering this is my bottom, this is my bottom. Go up from here. Because overall we are bullish. We hold this 1 hour time frame fair gap pretty much very nicely. And we have last 6 minutes left for the hourly candle to close. So guys, after 4 minutes we are done. 4 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Oi. Sorry guys, I'm out now. It's 4 o'clock. I've done. We had a great session, man. We have not taken any trade. This was job. Look at this, man. After 9:30, what market has done? Nothing. After 9:30, this was its 9:30 candle till now. You could see my market was either one-sided, either way it was bearish or bullish. No, it was just gone up, gone down. What it has done throughout this session, then go up, go down, go down, go down, up, then go down. And here I was bearish, did not went down. We did not do nothing in here. I was bullish in here, did not went up. I was bearish in here, did not went down. I was bearish in here, did not went down. I'm bearish in here, which is going up. So in these kind of days, when it is like you are expecting from the market to go to either way, it is not going up, it's not going down. You have to be either one sided on charts. You don't have to be bullish or bearish at once on charts, no matter what. And then look for trade on that direction. That's it. Does not mean that you have to be pushing buttons. You have to wait for confirmation. And maybe because you may be wrong as well. Look how many times I was wrong, anticipating all of those. Anticipate trade in here did not play it out. I was watching market not to go below the slow from here, go up, did not went up. I was anticipated trade in short in here, did not went down. So either way, you have to. This is a great session. Oh, you'll feel like, oh bro, I was in front of the charts 2 3 hours, and then market has not given me anything. You end up doing nothing. You waste your time. You did not waste your time, man. You have done great job. You don't know how these things compound. You don't know, man. uh yeah, that's how it is. And yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow I will be busy at work. So tomorrow I cannot be able to do live stream. We will do live stream. We will start from Monday, and then we will see how next week will go. This week most probably done. I'll be in front of the charts tomorrow as well. I want it to be yeah, I'll be there. I'm always wanted to be there. So we'll see. We'll take maybe a break on Saturday. Let's go out sometime to enjoy, and then we'll see how the things will play out. I actually do not want to enjoy anything. I'll see you guys in the on Monday. Thanks. Bye.